Hey everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to work out the distance between 2 points. So that's going to be in the context of a two-dimensional, x by y graph, and I'm going to explain to you how to find the distance between this point and this point, and obviously you can apply this technique to any 2 points on a graph. Now, I did put a little bit of the working in here just because, for recording, it's quite hard to redo and undo it. Anyway, I might block it out. But basically, we have 2 points, and do a little example here to make it a bit clearer. But let's say you've got 2 points. Yeah, you have a point over here, and you have a point over here. Well, what is the distance between these 2 points? Well, it's not immediately obvious. We don't have a set measure of that distance. What we do have is a measure of the x coordinate, because this will be like an xy, and this will also be an xy. Obviously, it won't be the same xy, so it'll be like x1, y1, x2, x2. What we do know is the x coordinate of this, and the x coordinate of this, and the y coordinate of this point or this and this point. So what you can do, and it kind of jumped to my mind when I was looking into this topic, is Pythagoras' theorem. So I don't know whether they will tell you it's Pythagoras' theorem, but basically what we do know is the left and right coordinates. So let's think about the y coordinate. How high is that? Well, it's going to be this one minus this one. So we have this, let's say I've labeled this y1, so we do, it doesn't matter, but like whatever one's larger, so you do like, I don't know, y2 or y1 minus y1, it doesn't, whatever one's larger, but basically you got to work out the difference. So in this case, this would be larger, so I'd probably do y1 minus y2. But basically we're finding distance vertically and horizontally, and you can see it makes kind of a triangle, and God, oh my god, what a bad anyway, hopefully that makes some sense. This will make more sense on this visual. It'll be a lot cleaner, I promise. But effectively we're gonna work out A, B, and then we're gonna work out C, because if you have a right angle triangle, which we're effectively creating by measuring these distances, we know A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared, and I hope that is Pythagoras' theorem. But yeah, there won't be a video if it is not. But A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared, so you can effectively take this distance squared plus this distance squared, and we square root it, and we get C. That is the messiest manic diagram ever. But hopefully that makes some rough sense, and I will show you my beautiful diagram over here. So as I said before, xy graph, we have 2 points. We have 1 minus 2, so that's the x coordinate, that's the y coordinate, and we have minus 2, 2. So if you want to do some maths, you could like do plus or minus one the other, and you can give this a go now. I've kind of covered it, but I'll be explaining it now anyway. But look at these x coordinates. So we're at minus 2, so we know it's here, and this one is 1. So we want to go, and I'll move the blocker if I've got it, but we're effectively going for this point to this point. How far are we going horizontally for x? Well, minus 2 to 1 is 3. That's the difference, because you have your minus 2, minus 1, 0, that's 2, plus 1. So it's literally 3 across. And if we're going from minus 2 to 2, the difference is 4. Because I won't explain that, but we're 2, 0 to minus 2, that's 4. So we effectively have a classical, I guess, example for Pythagoras' theorem. It's 3 this way and 4 this way, and x is that. So we know, I'm kind of running out of room a bit here, but we know a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So let's call this a and this one b, doesn't matter which one you call which. So let's say 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to c squared. This left-hand side is going to be 9 plus 16, because, well, 3 squared and 4 squared is 9 and 16. That's equal to c squared. C squared is equal to 25. Square root both sides. C is equal to 5. So this distance along here will be 5. So I appreciate I wouldn't say I rushed for it, but I went quite fast. So I kind of assumed some things I assumed you might know Pythagoras' theorem, but if you don't, pretty sure I've covered that a few times on my channel. So check out on my channel. I'm assuming, I guess, that you know graphs and points and how to square root, and I've assumed a few things, but if you didn't know that or it wasn't obvious, then let me know in the comment section, and I can either answer directly there, or maybe I can refer you to a video on my channel, or if it's not my channel, maybe I can refer you to Google or someone else on YouTube, or who can answer that part you don't understand. But hopefully I can explain it in the comment section. But yeah, again, you're effectively just using Pythagoras' theorem, and you're basically creating a right angle triangle. So you can imagine this as a right angle triangle. That's top level, but again, I appreciate sometimes I might oversimplify these things, so let me know if not, or let me know if you think anything's not clear. But if not, I appreciate you watching, and yeah, best of luck with your maths, and comments down below, and thanks for watching the video.